Hi kids, this term we're going to learn about the book of Isaiah in the Bible. Isaiah was a prophet of God. He lived 700 years before Jesus.
That's a long time ago. Did he have a pet dinosaur?
Did prophets use crystal balls to tell the future?
No. God's prophets were people that he appointed to be his messengers to his people Israel.
Did they tell them they would live happily ever after?
Not really. The prophets were mainly interested in the special relationship that God had with his people. He had rescued them out of Egypt, gave them a new land, Israel, and made a partnership with them called a covenant.
What's that noise?
It's my alarm clock.
Why did you set an alarm?
It's to remind me to catch the bus to soccer training on time.
So, are you going to go now?
Nah, think I'll have another cookie.
Prophets like Isaiah reminded the people of their part in the covenant, rebuking them for the ways they break the partnership, calling them to repent and turn back to God, holding out God's promise of mercy and forgiveness if they turn back to him, and finally spelling out the consequences for breaking the covenant as God's anger is poured out on them.
Smudge, shouldn't you get going to training?
Nah, it's okay. I've got time.
It was as if God's people had fallen asleep. Again and again and again, they had drifted away from God and done whatever they wanted. And they were in great danger. They'd rejected God and were in danger of him rejecting them. Again and again and again, God sent them prophets to lovingly warn them and call them back to God. Prophets like Isaiah. God's prophets were like an alarm clock going off.
Smudge, isn't that your bus?
Oh no, I'm gonna miss the bus.
Kids, you can own an alarm clock. You can even set an alarm clock. But if you never get out of bed when the alarm goes off, it will never do you any good. Will God's people listen to God's alarm, or will they sleep through it? Will we listen to God's alarm, or will we sleep through it?